Hello, children. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic. But, children, before I start my topic, I would like to ask you one thing. How do you go to school? Or how do you go to your relative's place or friend's place? Yes, children, for going one place to another place, we use means of transport. बच्चों, हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट को यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ यू मे थिंक व्हाट इज मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. अब आपको लगेगा मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या होता है. Means of transport are the modes or vehicles by which people and goods move from one place to another place. हाँ, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए हम जिन साधनों या वाहनों का यूज़ करते हैं, जिन व्हीकल्स का यूज़ करते हैं, उन्हें हम मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट कहते हैं. Children, there are three types of means of transport. Land transport, which moves on land. Water transport, which sails on water. Air transport, which move in air. Now let's see example of means of transport, and later on we will learn spellings also. First we'll see some land transport. What is land transport? People use land transport to move on land or on road. Now let's see some vehicles or means of transport which move on road or land. Children, land transport is the common means of transport which maximum people use every day. Children, auto, car, bus, jeep, train, scooter, bike, scooty runs on road. So they are called land transport. Now let's learn spelling of some land transport. Look, children, first means of transport is auto. Spelling of auto is A-U-O, T-O-To, auto. Let's repeat, A-U-O, T-O-To, auto. Second means of transport is car. Car also moves on land, so it is called land transport. If you want to go for a long drive, you will use this vehicle. Children, spelling of car. C says K. A-R-R. K-R, car. K-R, car. Our third picture is bus. Bus is also land transport because it moves on road. So let's learn spelling of bus. B says B. U-S, us. B-us, bus. B-us, bus. What is this? This is land transport jeep. This also moves on road, so this is called land transport. So let's learn spelling of jeep. J says J. Double E E. P says P. J E P. Jeep. J E P. Jeep. Now let's learn about water transport. Children, when you see a fish, do you feel? Can we travel like a fish in water? Yes, children, you can also travel in a water with the help of water transport. So let's find out some transports which move on the water. Children, ship, boat, yacht, submarine are water transports. Ship carries goods in large amount, and submarine is that means of transport which goes inside the water. Now let's learn spelling of boat. This is also water transport because it sails on water. B says B. O-A-O. T says T. B-O-T. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. Now lastly, I'll discuss air transport. Children, when we see a bird, we all wish we could also fly in a sky like a bird. Yes, we can also travel in air with the help of air transport. Now, what is air transport? Means of transport which move in air are called air transport. Now, let's see some means of transport which move in air. Children, helicopter, hot air balloon, and aeroplane. These are air transport because they move in air. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. You can travel long distances in aeroplane. So let's learn spelling of aeroplane. A E A R O ro P L plug A N E N aeroplane. Let's repeat. A E A R O ro P L plug A N E N. It's aeroplane. So children, today you learned about land transport which moves on road and it is common means of transport, and you learned about water transport which sails on water. Thirdly, you learned about air transport which move in air. So now you will learn spelling of these means of transport and write in your notebook 2 times. Okay? Like auto, auto, car, car, bus, bus, jeep, jeep, boat, boat, and aeroplane, aeroplane. Let's sing poem for means of transport. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Drive, drive, drive your car quickly down the road. Merrily, 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 till it gets too cold. Fly, fly, fly your plane swishing through the clouds. Merrily, 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 merrily going round and round. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.